this stuff is sliding. Like, I can't. Oh, I think I know. Oh, that's how you clip it. Okay. Oh, gold tits. Now these clips is mad high though. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Ashanah here, back with a new video, and today we are getting into a makeup tutorial, a makeup transformation. I saw QueenNaija's Bloodify 2 video and I really fell in love with her makeup look. It's super simple, super nice and summery, springy type of thing going on. I think she's gorgeous. I think she's cute, and we about to get into some makeup. I know we're on today's June 2nd, and we're on a little Instagram social media blackout, and nobody's posting anything, no content, no anything. So this video will not be going up today. I'm just filming to keep my sanity because we are in quarantine. I do work 3 times a week. However, when I'm home, I like to slay. I like to put on makeup. I like to listen to music. I like to just have fun and just be me. And being me wouldn't be looking crazy every day. So I'm gonna say to all the processors, please stay safe. And yeah, let's get into this. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Revolution concealer. I can't talk today. And I'm gonna just basically, I'm gonna prime both of my eyes. Okay, so my favorite powder to set my eyes lately is the e.l.f. Halo setting powder. Like, this setting powder is the shit. And y'all need to go get it, like, for real. I did a review on my channel already. I will link it. Today we're going to be using the Itsmyraye Part 2 palette. I love this palette so much. I was going through my collection and I'm like, I'm tired of using the same palettes all the time, the same palettes I gravitate to all the time. No, this is not a black owned brand. However, a black person created this palette and I'm for it. So we use some Itsmyraye. Okay, so QueenNaija, right? I have some photos here, and she has like a brown, she has like a brown cut crease, right? A nice soft brown cut crease, but she has a yellow in the inner corner, and she has wing liner and lashes. I'm for it. So I'm gonna go in with the Itsmyraye's 7 brush. Not this brush. Okay, we're gonna go with the Itsmyraye's 9 brush. What's the 6 brush? This is like a nice fluffy brush. I'm gonna go in with the shade Brick right here. Okay, so yeah, she has a regular degular shade, but you know what, we're gonna define that. So we're gonna go in with the 7 brush and go in with the same shade and just define that over the crease just like this. However, we're gonna define that with Brick first, because we want it to be defined. Okay, we want it to be super defined. Wait, no, the shade right here. I'm gonna cut the crease. So I'm gonna go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer again, and I'm gonna cut my crease. Okay, so they look okay. Okay, so what you guys don't know is this halo, where is that? This halo powder is awesome for a lid shade. Yeah, I said it. Awesome for lid shades. Then I'm gonna take this brush, the powder, and I'm gonna just blend out the edges because she doesn't really have it blended, but it's like I don't want to put more color there, if that makes sense. So I'm just gonna basically like get rid of that line right there. It's gonna be invisible. It's just gonna be the crease, the shade lid, boom. Okay, so I'm gonna use the NYX liner. Okay, so we're gonna do some liner. If y'all want a liner video, please let me know in the description box. If y'all want a liner video, please let me know in the comment section. I already have a cut and crease video on my video. I already have a cut and crease video on my channel, so I will link it. And cut your crease, girl. So we're gonna do a wing, y'all. This has have yet to been the best wing I've did in my whole entire existence. Okay, they don't look just alike. However, I'm gonna clean it up though. She has this yellow shade in her inner corner. Let's zoom it on in. Oops. Yeah, she has this yellow shade in her inner corner. I don't know if she has it in her outer corner too. It looks like it, but we're gonna be going in with the Itsmyraye again, and we're gonna go into this nice yellow shade right here. What I love about this yellow shade is this yellow shade is not by means not chalky. If y'all see my Jaclyn Hill video, which I will link that, I'm not even gonna tell y'all what I said in that video, but go check out that video and y'all will know why. Okay. But she has it like right in the inner corner and a little bit inside the crease, like a little bit inside the crease, which is cute. Like I low-key like it. I could add yellow into my crease all day, like literally. Oh my god, like she really, whoever came up with this was one point low-key. Okay, we're gonna go into the Carity palette, and I want to use like a nice, matter of fact, like I want to highlight the outer, the brow bone. Ooh, I don't know, I'm gonna go in with Luxury. Oh yeah, just to lighten that a little bit, because I love a nice highlighted brow. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the face. I don't know if I'm gonna do any under bottom lash line. She doesn't have that, so we're not gonna do it. And yeah, so we about to get into the face. You guys have seen me do my face a billion times, but I'm gonna show you guys. But we're gonna just go this in fast motion because yeah. today. I'm gonna use this Lash Kitty. I can't talk today. Lash Kitty premium eyelash. I think this is called a booklet if I'm not mistaken. This is like super cute. You just slide it out right here and you pick what lash you want. Lashes are fire. I have Workflow is from a YouTuber that I watch on YouTube. Her name is OMG Lashes. I will link her in the description box. And her other lash is called Glam On at the bottom. I didn't bought these collections of hers like maybe over 4 times. Like, her lashes are bomb. She did team up with Lash Kitty to create these looks and I'm for it. I think like I low-key want to use Workflow today. So guys, you have made it to the end of this video. I love you guys so much. If you stayed this long, please comment a lipstick under this video. I love you guys so much. You guys don't understand. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, and I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Laters.